Yeah, so I think, developing the melodic concept that I have in my playing, it came from a multitude of things. Probably first it was just my first teachers and how they played and the music that they showed me. But then also just being discerning about the music that I listened to, the music that I liked, and the language that I picked up from that. And then a combination of all that language and then my own experimentations with it kind of led me to playing how it is that I play today. The main thing that I want people to learn from this concept is just to be more complete improvisers in general and to be able to really have more intent with the statements and the phrases that they play when they solo, instead of just kind of playing notes that fit over a chord. We have more to say than just playing or saying correct stuff when we play a solo. I think the most important aspect of this concept is being able to look for melodic statements in your playing rather than just going with the theory, right? Because a lot of improvisers, especially beginner or intermediate improvisers, they're going based on, okay, this is the scale that I have to play over this chord, or these are the notes, this is the hip thing. And it's really deeper than that. We don't just play things because they fit or because they're hip, but because they make sense in the context of the solo and with the band and the moments that we're playing in. In general, my students have benefited from this concept because it really tied together their playing. It made them go, like I said, from just playing stuff or run-on sentences to really playing phrases. And when a musician or a soloist especially is playing clear phrases with the band, then the whole band plays better. Then everybody else can comp behind them more clearly, and it adds to the whole picture really making a lot more sense. Playing melodically is really what it's kind of all about, That's the thing that grabs me the most, I'm always amazed by people that play technically and play with a million notes, and that's something that I always strive to do better myself too, but I always find myself coming back more to the music that just has strong melodic statements in it. I think that's really the main goal here. Additionally, from taking this course, I think when we look for playing melodies over tunes and melodies in our solos, that really helps develop our ears to a whole new level too, because we're not just hearing scales or chords, now we're hearing specific phrases within those scales and chords, and that really ties together everything we play, and we're playing with a lot more intent and a lot more purpose. I'm Andrew Gould, and this is Melodic Improvisation.